Hello, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we're going to do mermaid here on the mat.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So mermaid in the mat is not one of my favorites. Places to mermaid. I like to mermaid other places. However, it is an excellent side bend exercise. And if you're looking at this video from the mat flashcard deck by OnlinePilatesClasses.com, I just want you to let you know that I do see the mermaid as a prep for side bend, and that once you're doing side bend, you can eliminate the mermaid because it's kind of doing the same thing. It's got the same spine shape in there. But I also know that everyone can do a side bend, and so the exercise, but I do want to do it with your spine. So that's why I added it into the deck. And so what you want to do is sit on one hip. And some people will say you've got to stack this. And I'm going to tell you right now, obviously that's not happening in this body. So I actually just slightly stagger my knees a little bit so that I can get my pelvis to be as squared off as possible. Now, the temptation to stick your booty out is real. So you're not tucking, but you are reaching that tailbone straight down. Then your hand goes out to this ankle. This arm goes up. And the thing that's really important is that your side bend is not a side sink. You got to get space here. So we're going to go up and over, up and over, up and over, up and over, and then up and up. And then up and over, up and over, up and over, and then up and up, right? I could, with my flexibility, touch the floor, but that would not have any strength with it. So you really do want to find the strength in both sides. Then you come up, you counterbalance the stretch, and you side bend this way, and then you try not to use this bottom hand to lift you up. And then you can rocket those legs over, and then you can do it on the other side. Double check that tailbone. Mine was already like, gotta bring that down and side bend. Right, 3 side bends. Go as far as you can with each one, and then counter stretch, and then up, and then eventually move that into side bend, the exercise. If you have questions about this, feel free to put the comments below. I go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time to answer your questions. If you're a member of OPC, we actually talk to you in the members only community and give you personalized feedback on your own form just by sending a video to us so that you're not making guesses about your Pilates practice. Who wants to do that? And so you get the benefits of on demand, but with the beauty of in person, all combined into one membership. OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube to check it out. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.